The Ganges. The Ganges River, or the River Ganga as known in India, is located in the continent of Asia and is 2,510 kilometers long. It is positioned in the northern and eastern hemispheres. The Ganges River begins in the Himalayas and ends in the Bay of Bengal, spanning across four countries Nepal, India, China, and Bangladesh. It is considered holy and cleansing in the Hindu religion. The first map of the Ganges is on a national scale in terms of India. As you can see, the Ganges begins on the border of China and India, flowing through the north and northeast parts of India and ending in Bangladesh. My second map of the Ganges is on a local scale in terms of Kolkata. The Ganges River, known as the Hooghly River in Kolkata, is a central feature of the urban landscape, flowing through the centre of the city. The Ganges has experienced a great deal of environmental change over the 20th and 21st centuries. Firstly, the Ganges has become one of the most polluted rivers in the world. The Ganges has turned from a clean river in the 1950s to a highly contaminated river. It is covered with a layer of floating plastics and other wastes and has a high rate of waterborne diseases. As you can see in the two images on the left, taken in the 1950s and 60s, the water is clean and can sustain aquatic life, while the two photos on the right, taken in 2015, show a river with huge amounts of plastic pollution and other rubbish. The cause of this environmental change is attributed to the huge increase in population in India, going from roughly 400 million in the 1950s to 1.417 billion in 2024. This is seen in the graph above and the photo below. This increased population has caused a rise in plastic pollution and fecal matter, which are due to the improper disposal of rubbish and improper sanitary conditions, as seen in the fecal matter graph above. Dangerous chemicals and sewage are also a result of improper industrial practices, as seen in the graph below, clearly indicating the huge amounts of sewage, as seen in the gap on the grey bar on the right hand side in comparison to the available capacity. The Ganges experiences floods due to monsoon seasons, as seen in the rainfall graph. These floods can cause soil erosion and damage infrastructure, while the level of the Ganges naturally rises and falls due to monsoon season and dry seasons. The effects of climate change are worsening and making these changes more extreme. The main management strategy to protect the Ganges is called the Namami Gange program, and it aims for the effective abatement of pollution, conservation, and rejuvenation of the national river Ganga. The social factors of the program are seen in the events, workshops, and seminars, as it allows the mission of the program to spread and enhances the visibility of the issue of pollution of the Ganges River. The economic factors of the program are seen in the budget of 460 million US dollars. This money is then funneled into many different aspects of the program, allowing it to complete various projects. The environmental factor of the Namami Gange program is the most widespread and in depth out of the three. There are 457 active projects along the Ganges River that work in industrial effluent, biodiversity conservation, afforestation, and improving sanitation along the riverbank. Overall, the Namami Gange program provides a sustainable framework for the Ganges River by contributing to all the factors, though there is a clear importance on the environmental aspect of protecting and cleaning this sacred river, as seen in this photo. Thank you, and here's my bibliography.